Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So guys, Samsung Notes has been updated and in this video I will show you what these updates are. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to go into your Galaxy store. Okay, so here is our Galaxy store. So once we enter into the Galaxy store, you see over here these three lines on the top left corner. Just click them. Okay, and once you click them, you see there is updates option over here, so just click it. Okay, so once you click it, you see the second option over here is about Samsung Notes. So we want to update these Samsung Notes, so simply we click it, and then you see on the downside it says update. So what we will do, we will just click it. Okay, and then it will start updating new Samsung Notes. So guys, our Samsung Notes has been updated, and now we will go back and then we will open the Samsung Notes. Okay, so guys, the first update is about changing the color of your folder. So guys, you can see here I make different folders according to my subjects. So now you will be able to change their color. Simply what you have to do, you have to just tap on that folder like that, and a menu will open, and then you see the last option over here, it says change folder color. So just select it, and then you see there are different colors option in front of you, so you can change it to any color. Let's say I change it to red, and then you see the color has been changed to red color. And then if you want to change the different folder to a different color, you can also do it. For example, if I want to change it to blue, so I can make it blue as well. So this is how you can change the color of your folders. Okay, the second update is about eraser. So I open a new note, and if you write with your pen, okay, anything, and then if you also type any text or anything, for example you type here, this I write here type. Okay, and you can type text. Okay, so now if you want to erase only your notes, so you can do it. Simply what you have to do, you have to go here and then select the eraser, double tap on the eraser. Okay guys, so once you open, you see a new option over here, it says erase note. You can see over here guys. So once you select this erase note option, okay, once I select it, you can see it only erase my notes which I write with my S Pen. The other thing remains there. For example, this is a text form, so this will remain on the notes. So this is the second update. Okay guys, and the third update is about image. So for example, if I attach any image, I go here, insert option, I select the image. Okay, I select from the gallery. For example, I select this image. Okay, and then I just done it. Okay, so once I bring it over here, I can easily edit it. So in the new Samsung Notes update, I can crop it, I can do a lot of things with it. For example, there's a crop option over here. Okay, so I can crop the image. Okay, you can see over here, and then I press OK, and then you can see the image has been cropped. There are other options as well. For example, this lasso crop option. So if I select it, so if I select a certain area of the image, then it will cut that area. So for example, like this I select, and now you can see over here, so I will be easily able to crop my image. So this is the third update. Okay, the fourth update is about duplication of your notes. For example, I have different notes over here. So for example, I select this note and I want to make a duplicate. So simply I just select it like this, and then I go down. You can see over here the more option over here, and then you see duplicate note. So there is a second option over here is about duplicate note. So I just select it. So now you can see my note has been duplicated over here. So same note I have duplicated, guys, you can see over here. So this is the fourth update. The fifth update is about deleting of your notes while you are writing them. So for example, I open a new note, okay, and then I write anything over here, I make a note, okay, and now if I want to delete it, so I can easily delete it. I just go over here, okay, on the three dots, just select it, and then there is a delete option over here. I just select it, and then I can move this node directly to recycle bin. Okay guys, the last update is about template. So if I open a new node, so Samsung Notes added 3 new templates. So if you want to explore them, simply again go these 3 dots option, and then you see the page template option, just select them, and then you can see there are 3 page templates has been added. So for example, this one is the first one you can see over here, and you can also select a different page template. Okay, so they updated a new page template as well, and then you can make your notes on those template as well. So for example, if I select the other one, you can also see this type. So this is a new page templates that Samsung Notes has been added. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.